What are you up to? What is keeping you so occupied?
Disturb na kar veere. I'm trying to put the lazy daisy stitch I learnt in class today. I love embroidery.
मैनू भी दिखा। है हुन एम्ब्रॉयडरी तेरा ऑक्यूपेशन हो गया। कैन यू एम्ब्रॉयडर माय मॉम साड़ी? हा हा हा।
ठंड रख ठंड. This is just a hobby. Gurnazar is not getting paid for doing embroidery. Occupation किथों आया? तैनू पता भी है occupation की हुंदा है? Our friends from Narmada and Ganges will throw more light on this topic. Before we do that, let me welcome all of you. Dear parents, Renu ma'am, educators, and all friends, Narmada and Ganges are delighted with your presence. Let us begin with a prayer. Let's pick up the thread from where we left. The dictionary will tell you multiple meanings of occupation. However, we will take occupation as a profession. The simple life of ancient times. The first timeline of humans refers to the nomadic life when people were only hunters and food gatherers. The second timeline indicates how life started getting more organized by people learning various skills.
That time laid the foundation for different occupations adopted by humans to earn a living. This supranature is everything built by humans on top of nature. This interdependent human world included everything discovered, invented, and built by human beings. We've come a long way since those times. There's no dearth of occupations in modern society. A mind boggling range indeed.
The fundamental human needs continue to change as people adapt to the changing times. This directly impacts the occupation chosen by people.
Sachi Muchi, I could never imagine my dadi becoming an influencer and my dada a YouTuber.
An interesting way to look at occupation that disappeared faster than free snacks. Long ago, before apps, alarms, and online deliveries, people had jobs that sound completely unbelievable today. Imagine that someone's full-time job was to waking people up by poking sticks at their windows. Before alarm clock existed, the knockers uppers walked around early in the morning, tapping on the windows with a long stick. You mean human snooze buttons? Except there is no 5 minutes because they would probably knock harder.
No newspapers, no phone, no problem. The town crier walked through the streets shouting, "Important news! Here, here! Here, here!" Oh, so the ancient version of notifications which was impossible to mute. Before refrigerators, workers would cut giant ice blocks from the frozen lake and deliver them at home. A real cool work.
Before electricity, lamp lighters worked through streets every evening, lighting lamps by hand. They literally brightened everyone's night.
Cities once hired professional rat catchers to keep streets clean. Not such a glamorous job. You mean the Piper of Hamlin? Before electronic computers, people used to solve problems by hands for scientists and engineers. You mean humans were the processing units?
Who performed crucial and complex calculations for aerospace data in 1930s to 1960s. NASA used analytical services.
Many old occupations disappeared because humans used their three special gifts and invented better tools and technology. But every job, old or new, helped society move forward.
From rope stretchers to data analysts, every worker has played a part in building the supranature.
With AI coming in today's jobs are already becoming tomorrow's history.
In our day-to-day life, there are many people who help us and also learn a living. Let us meet a few of them.
I am a carpenter. I come with my tools for your sweet home. I make chairs and stools.
I am a plumber. I fix and repair broken taps, leaking pipes. I can take care. I'm a hawker. I come with my cart. On my little tail I carry a mini mart. I am a grocer selling atta, chawal, dal. Amazon बिग बास्केट के आने से हो गया मेरा खराब हाल. Support local, support desi. I am a raddiwala. I come with the cycle. I protect the environment as I reuse and recycle. I am a potter working with clay. Pictures and pots I create every day. I am a mechanic fixing gadgets that break down. If your car is in trouble, come to me without a frown. I am a cobbler mending broken footwear. Have no worries if your shoe has a tear. I am a halwai selling stuff sweet and savory. In my small shop, you will find everything flavory. I am a delivery person working for Swiggy. Order all that you need. I will bring in a jiffy. Professionals here, professionals there. Let's salute them as they care. Heal, 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 strong and healthy, such a great field. Engineers of the world, build, build, build. We marvel at you for being so skilled. Farmers of the world, grow, grow, grow. Wonder fills us with the seeds you sow. Authors of the world, write, write, write. We know that reading books is always right. Chefs of the world, cook, cook, cook. A table for a family, we need to book. Architects of the world, design, design, design. Show us detailed plans, we like the outline. Sailors of the world, sail, sail, sail. From each voyage, tell us a tale. Pilots of the world, fly, fly, fly. Can you touch the sky as you go high? Singers of the world, sing, sing, sing. Your music to our lives adds a sing. Singers of the world, sing, sing, sing. Your music to our lives adds a sing.
हम प्रस्तुत करेंगे कविता सभी व्यवसाय मान। घर में फैला था सामान, माँ को हो रही थी थकान। माँ बोली आज काम ना होगा, खाना ना होगा, पीना ना होगा। बाहर से आवाज़ें आई, सब्जी वाले ने आवाज़ लगाई। सब्जी उसने घर पहुंचाई। सब्जी उसने घर पहुंचाई, माँ को थोड़ी सांस भी आई। तभी अचानक बिजली गुल हुई, चारों तरफ अंधेरा छाया। उसे देखने मन घबराया, माँ ने बिजली वाले को बुलाया। सुबह हुई तो आंधी आई, बगीचे में तबाही मचाई। माली भैया ने उसे संभाला, सारा बगीचा महकाया। तभी तो कहते सभी व्यवसाय जरूरी है जब हाथ में आए। एक दूसरे का साथ निभाए, अकेले तो कुछ समझ ना आए।
Now we will present a short skit, The Broken Chain. आओ देखिए इस पिंड च की हो रहा है। Let us go to Mishriwala, a small village in Faridkot.
Farmer Fateh Singh am I. Today I stand with a sigh. My wheat sacks are all stacked. Tota Singh, the truck driver, has backtracked. ਹੁਣ ਤਨਤ ਨੂੰ ਮੰਡੀ ਤੇ ਵੀ ਭੇਜਾਂ। I am ਚਰਨ ਸਿੰਘ ਚੱਕੀਵਾਲਾ। ਸਵੇਰ ਤੋਂ ਉਡੀਕ ਰਿਹਾ ਹਾਂ, ਕਦੋਂ ਕਣਕ ਮਿਲੂਗੀ ਤੇ ਕਦੋਂ ਆਟਾ ਪਿਸੂਗਾ।
I am बेकरानी, आज तो याद आ गई नानी। I'm here to deliver a cake which I'm unable to bake. चरण सिंह जी always delivers flour on time. आज तो धोखा दे गए। I am the birthday girl Tara. आज तो डूबा हुआ है मेरा सितारा। Can you imagine a birthday party without cake? It will seem so fake. रानी जी तो हमेशा टाइम की पाबंद होती हैं, आज तो पता नहीं क्या हुआ।
I am the truck driver तोता सिंह। ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਫਤਿਹ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਕੋਲ ਪਹੁੰਚਣਾ ਹੈ, ਪਰ ਮਕੈਨਿਕ ਮੱਖਣ ਸਿੰਘ ਨੇ ਦੁਕਾਨ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਖੋਲੀ। ਮੈਂ ਟਾਇਰ ਤੇ ਪੰਕਚਰ ਲਗਵਾਉਣਾ ਸੀ। I am stuck. I don't know what to do.
I am Makhan Singh the mechanic. ਅੱਜ ਸਵੇਰੇ ਸੌਂ ਕੇ ਉੱਠਿਆ ਸਵੇਰੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਐਕਚੁਅਲੀ ਦੁਪਹਿਰ ਪੈ ਗਈ ਸੀ ਤੋਤਾ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਦੀ We missed calls. Oh, बेरा गर्क है सोशल मीडिया साइट्स ते स्क्रॉलिंग दी आदत दा मैं कल राती 2 बजे तक जाग रहा सी 9 से नींद नहीं खुली हुन मैं छेती छेती जाना हाँ
Truly, all of us are parts of a whole system. How interdependent we are on one another. We need to connect and collaborate for smooth functioning and best results. Now we present building bridges. Building bridges between our divisions. Building bridges between our divisions. Building bridges between our divisions. I reach out to you and you reach out to me. I reach out to you and you reach out to me. With all our voices and all our visions. With all our voices and all our visions. Friends, we could make such sweet harmony.
funny and unusual jobs around the world. Did you know that some people have jobs that sound like they came from a cartoon? Panda huggers. Some people take care of baby pandas by feeding them, playing with them, and cuddling them. Imagine your journal for the day today. I hugged 3 pandas. Ice cream taster. Yes, you heard it right. People are paid to taste ice cream and invent new flavors. One job where I need another scoop is a serious work. Q standing. In some countries like Japan and UK, people hire others to stand in long queues for them. Like in case of buying concert tickets, new iPhone launches. Oh, so when is the iPhone 18 being launched?
Fortune cookie writer. Someone who creates tiny messages found inside fortune cookies. Imagine writing. You will soon get extra dessert.
Chocolate scientists and toy testers. Some people create new chocolates and candies. Such a sweet career choice. Before the toys reach the stores, children and adults test them to see if they are fun. Oh, you mean professional playtime?
No occupation is too strange if it helps people the world function, because different people do different kinds of work, and who knows, maybe one day you will invent brand new occupations like
Robots feeling therapist, space tour guide. Hey, how about me, marketing specialist? The future is hiring. Let's enhance our skills.
every job matters and every work is special. Each person helps our world work like a big happy team. A doctor heals us, a farmer grows food, a cleaner keeps places neat, and a driver helps us travel safely. Every job is like an important puzzle piece that fits perfectly together.
No job is small or bad, so let's be kind, show respect, and say thank you to all the hardworking people around us. When everyone helps, the world becomes a brighter and happier place. The best way to do any job is with your head, hands, and heart. Use your head to think smart ideas, your hands to work carefully and skillfully, your heart to be kind and caring. When we do our work with joy and kindness, we not only earn money, we also feel proud and happy from inside. That's the magic of doing work with joy and kindness. Mozart said, dancing is just like dreaming on your feet. Here we, here we come, trained by Sanjeet ma'am, to do it big, do it right, and to do it with style.
can move the highest mountains, cross the greatest oceans, and walk across the water, the water. If you believe you can move the highest mountains, cross the greatest oceans, and walk across the water, the water. You feel defeated, falling on your knees and looking up for some hope tonight. You try to stand up, but you throw your hands up like you no longer have the strength to fight. Cause you've seen too many sunsets, too many days ending in the darkest night. But on your own you'll never know, you'll never know. If you believe you can move the highest mountains, cross the greatest oceans, and walk across the water, the water. Believe you can move the highest mountains, cross the greatest oceans, and walk across the water. If you believe. They say that all you need is faith, but it's almost like you lost your way. Took a few wrong turns, took a few breaks, falling behind now looking for grace. Cause you need someone to lift you up, yeah, make right all the things you've done. Cause on your own you'll never know, you'll never know. If you believe you can move the highest mountains, cross the greatest oceans, and walk across the water, the water. Believe you can move the highest mountains, cross the greatest oceans, and walk across the water. If you believe, oh, if you believe, you can do anything, you can do anything, you can do anything if you believe. If you believe you can move the highest mountains, cross the greatest oceans.
Rise up! Rise up! Rise up! We rise up, we stand strong. Been fighting all along. Brothers unite, sisters too. This is what we gonna do. Break the chains, break them down. Kings and queens, wear the crown. Stand together, hand in hand. Power blowing through the land. Rise up, feel the beat. Move your body, move your feet. We are strong, we won't fall. Unity conquers all. Rise up, hear the sound. Brothers lifting off the ground. We are one, we are free. This is our destiny. From the struggle came the fight. Now we're shining in the light. Every step, every move, top, we're the cream, we're the top, hand in hand, heart to heart. This is where the healing starts. Rise up, feel the power. This is our defining hour. We are strong, we are true. Nothing that we cannot do. Rise up. Rise up, rise up, rise up.
Renupuri ma'am, would you like to come up on the stage and share your thoughts?
Thank you for inviting me because I was waiting to come here. And why? I want to congratulate each one of you. Good morning, dear parents, guests, students who are sitting at the back, and our lovely children on the stage. I think this morning they have enthralled us with what a powerful message of everybody being important in our life. and what are the different occupations and how interdependent everybody on this universe is. Thank you, children. Let's hear it for them once, please. It was indeed a reminder and a pleasure to see them tell us how the occupations of the past are linked to what might happen in 2030 onwards. I can't even imagine that, but you all are the ones who are going to live that life. And the fact that you're going to do everything with your heart, with love, with your hands, and using your mind, I'm sure you're going to make the world a lovely place to be in. What lovely messages. Can we have the educators behind this whole show on stage, please? Can we all have you up on stage? Thank you, teachers. Thank you, thank you, thank you, because they're the ones who work so hard to actually get the kids to realize what life is. And so much of learning. I really salute all of you to handle these children and to give them that information with love and with joy is indeed something so beautiful. So thank you, children, and thank you, parents, for being here this morning. I'm sure you've enjoyed it as much as they have. Putting it up, we could see that joy in them. So let's stand up for the school song. Children, can we stand at attention, please?
Together unafraid, over land, in the air, on the sea. Together let us work hand in hand, activate, and ring the bells of victory. Together unafraid, for 100 nights, 100 days. Together let us go where the vexed flag flies, and friendship's banner raise. Together unafraid, with knowledge and integrity, our motto at Vivek. Onwards to the goal we will always march, with faith and hope and cheer. Together unafraid.
Thank you, everybody, and have a great day ahead. Thank you, children. Thank you, ma'am. It was really lovely. Thank you.
अच्छा देख लेने दो कोई नहीं बाय बाय कर लेने दो बाय बाय 2 मिनट बाय बाय कर ले फिर कर्टन कर देंगे या यू कैन वेव यू कैन cheer you can